gotten here. It's time for education. We are doing responsible AI use for camps. This is really important for y'all, and Jean Claseman is going to be our presenter of the program. Jean?
LLM, large language model, Anthropic, Copilot, Gemini, context windows, closing the agentic loop, tokens, AI, AI. Is everybody overstimulated? This is Pat. Little buffalo, buttercup. Because it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, and the speed at which it is advancing, improving, is getting faster. I try to stay on the leading edge of what this subject is about, and there are days when I wake up in the morning and my agent gives me a brief of what happened overnight, and it changes everything that I'd already learned the week prior. I'm not going to go over any of that stuff today. When thinking about this presentation, I had to consider who the audience would be. Now, the audience is, this is directed towards CAM specifically. I have to anticipate that there's going to be a mix of people in this room. Some of you guys will probably understand what ChatGPT is and colloquial terms for AI use. Most of you guys are probably on Microsoft 365, so you have access to Copilot. Some of you guys are probably in the Google workspace field. There's probably a couple of you guys that I know are using Anthropic, and that's perfectly fine. But the subject matter that we're going to discuss today is going to revolve purely around the free models that everyone has access to, and the high ROI use cases will be considered using Microsoft 365, because that's what most people use. You can do the same thing with Google Workspace. The nomenclature used is going to be a little different. Who here was at the Destin presentation? All right. Do not steal my thunder. I'm telling you right now, this is substantially the same. I woke up at 2 a.m. in the morning and I decided to change a couple of slides and change the organization of them, simply for delivery, but yeah, don't steal my thunder. Who here knows how AI works? You guys know how AI works? From front to back, like you understand really how it works?
Does anybody really know how it works?
Does anybody really know how it works? Good question. That question, this is a trick question. Nobody knows how AI works. Not a single, take a step back. Let that sit with everybody in the room. There's not a single person on this planet who understands how AI works. We do know the mathematical calculations that go into an algorithm. That algorithm would apply towards a large language model. Large language models are all the data collected on the internet, as well as all the information that's been collected from the users as of a specific state. So that's why you see GPT 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, every time there's a revision, that is a foundation model. The data that they've collected on the internet, data they've collected from all the users, all compiled, ran through algorithms to improve itself, and then we now have GPT 5.6, or we have Claude Opus, or some other derivative. Now those are the AI brands that everybody's pretty much aware of. There are so many other types of AI models that you can get experience using. Don't. For our purpose, stick with Microsoft, stick with Google, stick with enterprise-grade AI, and I'm going to explain why. Now, did that scare anybody in the room? That nobody in the world knows how AI works? Yeah. We have now diverged as a species. Up until this point, man has created fire, man has created the wheel, man has learned how to build skyscrapers that reach up into the clouds. Each one of those things that humans have created, we understand all the components that go into it and how it turns into the end product. We have just created something that we don't fully understand. We know just as much about how AI works today that we do the human brain. We don't fully understand our own brains, just like we don't fully understand the human mind. So the purpose of this is not to scare you, really, but to draw a similarity or to give you guys an analogy. If there is parity between our understanding of the human brain and parity with our understanding of AI, then we should also apply that same logic to using AI in the workplace. Nobody in this room would have your admin or your maintenance supervisor go out and obtain data, write a report, and then hand that directly to your board of directors. Would you? Without reading it? Would you? No, of course not. No. Nobody should be doing that. The same actions should be taken when we're talking about AI. It's capable of increasing your efficiency. It's capable of improving your effectiveness, but it cannot replace your duty of care.